Hi there! Today we're going to analyze some observation and create an hypothesis based on them. Right after that, we're going to test it out with an experiment. Without further ado, let's get started. First things first, today we're going to test out quite a few variables, which respectively are tap water, hot water and cold water, water with sugar, salt water and acidic water using lemon juice. We're going to record how much time does an effervescent tablet require in order to dissolve in each mixture. At the end of the experiment, we're going to compare every time with each other and see which type of water makes the effervescent tablet dissolve faster. In this experiment, the independent variable is the type of water, while the responding variable is the time needed by an effervescent tablet in order to dissolve. Before the fun part starts, though, we have to make an hypothesis in order then to create an experiment which is capable of telling us if we were right or wrong. In my opinion, the tablet in the acidic water will dissolve faster because acids are acids and acids are corrosive, while the tablet in the cold water will be the slowest because I think that if you remove heat from something, then it's more difficult for it to dissolve. Now that we know what we are expecting to see, we can start our experiment by filling up every glass with 220 grams of water, paying particular attention to pour the same amount of water in each glass, because otherwise our experiment won't be scientifically trustable. And remember to fill up one of them with hot water and another them with cold water. Once we've done that, we can carefully measure 20 grams of sugar and pour it into a glass. Then we can repeat the same procedure for both salt and lemon juice. I only used 15 grams of lemon juice because I felt like 20 grams was too much for the amount of water that I was using, but if you feel like you want to use 20 grams also for the lemon, that's no problem. After we have successfully completed that procedure, we can unpack the exact number of effervescent tablets that we'll need and let them fall into the glasses, all at the same time, of course. I decided to use a whole tablet for this experiment, but if you want you can use half of it for each glass. I will measure how quickly they dissolve in post-production, as I can be more precise during the measurements than if I was just using my cell phone. But if you want you can use it without any problem and without worrying to be imprecise if you ask someone for help. As you can see, the tablet in the hot water was the fastest one in the roundup, followed by tap water, acidic water, water with sugar, salt water and cold water, respectively. I'm quite impressed. To summarize, the tablet in the hot water was the fastest one to dissolve, probably because heat affects the effervescent effect in some way. That makes a lot of sense. And for the same reason, the one in the cold water was the last one to finish. So if you remove heat from a tablet, the effervescent effect will last longer. That's handy to know, right? Thanks a ton for watching. Let me know what you think about this experiment. Bye!